This is Chris from Daily Forex taking a look at Bitcoin. You can see another day. We're up 5%. We're above 35,000. And that, of course, is very strong. Now, the analysis is obviously we're in an uptrend. There's pretty much by any measure, we're in an uptrend. Institutional money is coming into the market, and that does help because it's a small market, so it doesn't take much to push it higher now, or lower for that matter. And that kind of brings me to my next point. If you believe in the longer term story with Bitcoin, and I am the first person to admit that I don't, but I don't have to. That's not my job. My job's an analyst and/or trader. So, putting on both my analyst and trader hat, clearly it should be buying. Now, having said that, markets like this, that are moving like this, don't go up forever. They need to correct. Eventually, you run out of buyers. The biggest problem is, unfortunately, a lot of retail traders get involved in something like this, and you could very easily make the argument for a move back to 25,000. I mean, on any chart, a couple candles, couple weeks, a little bounce, whatever, even gradually could happen. Well, that's a $10,000 loss, per coin. I don't know how many coins you have. Most retail traders don't have a full coin. Matter of fact, most don't even have half a coin or even a quarter of a coin. But at this point in time, I mean, that would be a significant loss to stomach while it was going on. If you do believe in the longer term idea of Bitcoin, being used, widely adopted, because really it isn't still. The idea is that someday it will be. I suppose you could hold and buy here, but you just have to be aware of the fact, 25,000, I think minimum is what's needed to make this a healthy correction. I wouldn't be surprised to see it drop to 20. Seems impossible at this point, I know, but I've seen this in multiple markets, not just Bitcoin. And I guess this is kind of me sounding the alarm that, you can buy it up here. I just don't know why you would. As far as shorting is concerned, I certainly wouldn't do that. Because I can tell you right now that this candlestick, had we broken below it, that would have been a sell signal to me because it's a massive shooting star. Some people sell as soon as that forms, and they're now underwater. So really, you're either long of it already, and you need to protect yourself by putting stops in, or you need to wait for a pullback. There's just no two ways about it. A lot of this is based on stimulus and devaluation of the dollar. But what I find interesting is that the dollar index sits at 89.5. It is at low levels, but it hasn't broken. But the Bitcoin market has broken to the upside. So we'll see. I think there will be a correction. And at that point in time, that's when you want to look into it. You don't chase up here. That's a great way to lose money. And in fact, that's exactly what happened last time when we had hit the highs back here. There were a lot of retail traders chasing it, and they just got their money back here like 3 weeks, 4 weeks ago. That was in 2017. So that's something that you don't want to repeat that mistake. Doesn't mean that we have to see that type of a meltdown, but like I said, just a normal pullback is going to be $10,000. So just trying to protect your interest out there.